Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Nida Ali and I am a student of first year and I belong to Hayat School and College, Main Campus. Today I am going to tell you about the things that I learned in the seminar of Catch VR with the collaboration of Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, which was conducted at Hayat School and College, Main Campus. Basically in that seminar they enlightened us with the knowledge of immersive technologies. So in that seminar, that was truly an incredible and great seminar. First, let me tell you what basically are immersive technologies. Immersive technologies are technologies that create a deeply engaging experience by often blending physical and virtual worlds seamlessly. Now, in that seminar, they told us about some common types of immersive technologies, which were artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality. First, let me tell you about artificial intelligence. AI, artificial intelligence, is basically a simulation of human intelligence which will work through systems based on machines. So, from the smartphones to the self-driving cars, artificial intelligence is everywhere. In that seminar, they told us how artificial intelligence can be beneficial field for us, as artificial intelligence is the latest transformative force, so we students can get a lot of benefits from it. So in that seminar, they also told us about types of AI, artificial intelligence, like narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, which is basically weak AI, in which voice assistants like Siri and Alexa were included, and social platforms like Netflix and Spotify were included. Now let me come to general AI, which is a strong AI, which were based on the tasks which usually work on human intelligence, like problem solving approach, decision making approach, and things like this. Now let me come to virtual reality. VR, virtual reality, is basically based on 3D images. It gives you those 3D images which can't be possible in real life. Now, in that seminar, Professor also told us about the project that he has done and is working on as a researcher in Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, which were based on virtual reality. Like the VR headsets he showed were basically based on virtual reality. Virtual reality is helps us in gaming, simulations, training, education, and now AR, which is augmented reality, which is about 2D images. In simple words, digital displays like images, videos, and data, sounds. Augmented reality, AR, connects the real and virtual world seamlessly. It connects us with physical world through things like GPS, cameras, sensors. Now, IoT, which is Internet of Things.